Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore some of the most incredible luxury homes across the United States. Today we're taking you inside a breathtaking $4,650,000 gated brick and stone estate located in Milton, Georgia. This extraordinary property offers over 15,600 square feet of luxurious living space, sitting on 1.78 private acres, and it features 7 bedrooms, 8 full bathrooms, and 3 half bathrooms. From the moment you arrive at the property, you immediately notice the impressive gated entrance and long private driveway leading up to the home. The exterior design combines classic brick and stone architecture with elegant landscaping, giving the estate a timeless luxury feel. The brown and cream tones of the exterior create a warm and sophisticated look that blends beautifully with the natural surroundings. As we approach the front of the home, you can see the massive scale of this estate. The grand entryway welcomes guests with tall columns, beautiful architectural details, and large custom doors that make a powerful first impression. This home truly feels like a private luxury retreat. Stepping inside, we enter the grand foyer, where soaring ceilings and elegant finishes immediately set the tone for the rest of the home. Natural light pours in through oversized windows, highlighting the luxurious flooring and the beautiful staircase that connects the multiple levels of this mansion. Moving into the main living room, we're greeted by a spacious and elegant space designed for both relaxation and entertaining. The room features large windows, luxury seating areas, and a stunning fireplace that becomes the focal point of the space. The brown and cream interior color palette continues here, creating a warm and welcoming environment. Next, we make our way into the chef's kitchen, which is truly a dream for anyone who loves cooking or entertaining guests. The kitchen includes custom cabinetry, a large marble island, high-end stainless steel appliances, and stylish pendant lighting. With plenty of counter space and storage, this kitchen is both beautiful and extremely functional. Connected to the kitchen is the formal dining area, featuring a large dining table that can easily seat 10 or more guests. Elegant lighting fixtures and sophisticated wall details make this the perfect space for hosting dinners and special gatherings with family and friends. Now let's check out one of the home's 7 luxurious bedrooms. The primary suite is designed as a private sanctuary. It features a spacious layout, large windows with peaceful views, and plenty of room for a seating area. The design feels calm, elegant, and incredibly comfortable. The primary bathroom feels more like a luxury spa. It includes a large soaking tub, a spacious glass shower, beautiful vanity areas, and premium finishes throughout. This is the kind of bathroom that turns everyday routines into a relaxing experience. In addition to the bedrooms, the home also includes several incredible lifestyle spaces. One of those is the private home gym, fully equipped and designed to make staying active easy without ever leaving your house. Next, we step into the TV lounge and entertainment area, which is perfect for movie nights or relaxing with family. With comfortable seating and a large media wall, this space feels like a private cinema inside your home. Another great feature of this property is the large multi-car garage, offering plenty of room for luxury vehicles, storage, and additional workspace. But one of the most impressive parts of this home is the outdoor living space. As we walk into the backyard, we find a stunning resort-style swimming pool surrounded by lounge seating and beautifully designed landscaping. This outdoor area is perfect for relaxing in the sun, hosting pool parties, or enjoying peaceful evenings with friends and family. The property's 1.78 acres of land provide privacy and space, making this estate feel exclusive and peaceful while still being located in one of Georgia's most desirable communities. Milton, Georgia is known for its luxury homes, beautiful landscapes, and high quality of life. Living here offers a perfect balance between privacy, elegance, and convenience. This incredible estate combines luxury architecture, elegant interior design, and resort-style outdoor living, making it truly one of the most impressive homes in the area. And that brings us to the end of today's tour of this stunning $4.65 million Milton, Georgia luxury mansion. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like the video, subscribe to American Dream Mansions, and turn on notifications so you never miss another luxury home tour. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part of this mansion was, the grand living spaces, the incredible kitchen, or the beautiful backyard pool. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury mansion tour. Home sparkles.